Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. We are continuing with our chapter decimal. In that today we'll learn conversions. So in this chapter we learn first conversion of fraction into decimal. That means the number is given in the form of fraction, we have to convert it in decimal. The second is conversion of decimal into fraction. The number is given in decimal form and we have to convert it into fraction. So let's see our first, that is conversion of fraction into decimal. Suppose I take one number 16392 upon 10. 16392 upon 100. 100. 16392 upon 1000. First, second and third. See, those numbers are given in the form of fraction. ये fraction के form में दिया है. Yes, upon means this is numerator and this is denominator. ये fractions के form में है. We have to convert it in decimal. So let us understand with steps. Our first step is to write numerator number as it is given. Our first step is to write the numerator numbers as it is given. So first we'll write numerator as it is 16392. Same, the number is same over here also 16392. Same 16392. Okay, we have written numerator as it is. Numerator means ऊपर का number. We have written numerator as it is as per our step 1. Our step 1 is to write the numerator as it is given in the question. Now step 2. Count the number of zeros in denominator, then place the decimal counting from right to left in numerator as per zeros in denominator. See what step 2 says, count the number of zeros in denominator. So we have to count the number of zeros. Here in denominator only one zero is there. So now next, then place the decimal counting from right to left in numerator as per zeros in denominator. What it means, कि if they have given only one zero, we have to count the this numerator number from right to left. हमें right से left count करना है और जितने zeros है उतने number के बाद हमें decimal put करना है. See यहाँ पे कितने zeros है 1, so we'll shift 1 only. राइट टू लेफ्ट अगर हम जाएंगे तो सिर्फ 1 स्किप करेंगे, सिर्फ एक नंबर से ही आगे हम डेसिमल पुट करेंगे. व्हाई? बिकॉज 0 यहाँ एक है. लेट्स सी इन अवर सेकंड सम. हियर 2 zeros आर देयर, सो विल स्किप 1 टाइम एंड 2 टाइम. सो विल पुट डेसिमल ओवर हियर. ओके, इन अवर थर्ड सम 3 zeros आर देयर, सो विल स्किप 3 टाइम्स. 1, we'll skip 3 numbers. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. So I put decimal over here. So this is how you have to convert the given fraction into decimal number. If the point is there in the number, that means such number is decimal. So we have converted this fraction into decimal. Now we'll see how to convert decimal into fraction. Let us understand this conversion of decimal into fraction with steps. Okay, here few examples are given. We'll solve these examples through these steps by following such steps. Okay, our first step is count the number of decimal places. Why? This indicates zeros in denominator. See how? Our first step is to count the numbers after decimal. If this is decimal, we have to count the number after decimal. So here one number, here we have to count the number after decimal. So 4, that is 1, and this 2. So here I can write 2, here 1, 1, 2, 3. After decimal, here there are 3 numbers. So I can write here 3. After decimal, here 1 number, here 2, and here 3. So my first step is to count the number after decimal. Point के बाद लेफ्ट साइड में जितने नंबर है उसे काउंट करके जस्ट राइट डाउन साइड. नाउ मूव टू अवर स्टेप नंबर 2. Rewrite the number without decimal. Our second step is to rewrite the number without decimal. हमें पूरा नंबर एक साथ लिखना है, डेसिमल को नहीं लिखना है. भूल जाओ डेसिमल. 6.2 है तो उसे 62 लिख दो. 3.42 है तो राइट 342. 4.629 है तो जस्ट राइट 4629. If 0.8 है तो जस्ट राइट 8 because 0 has no value. Or you can write 0.8. But 0 की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, that's why we will write 8 only. Okay? 0.04, that means write only 4. 3.069, so I can write 3069. This is our second step. To write the number, whole number without decimal. Decimal के बिना पूरा number हमें लिखना है. Okay? Now let's move to step 3. Write the denominator with as many zeros at decimal place. Now we have to write the denominator. ये हमने numerator लिख दिया. Okay, this is our numerator. Okay, अब हम लिखेंगे denominator. Denominator में क्या लिखना है? As many zeros as decimal place. हमने यहाँ पे कितने numbers count किए थे? 1. So we have to put only 1 0. Here we have counted 2. So we'll put 2 zeros. Here 3. So put 3 zeros. Here we counted 1, so only 1 0. 2, so 2 0. 3, so 3 0. This is how we have to convert decimal into fraction. ये decimal number था 2.98. ये decimal number था, इसे हमने fraction में convert किया. तो 298 upon 100. पहले हमें number as it is लिख देना है. ये वाला पूरा number without decimal as it is लिख देना है. Then we have to count the number after decimal. कितने हैं? 1 and 2. So just put 2 zeros and convert it in fraction. Now one more thing, many students are making mistake to read the numbers. If they have given 62.346, so children are reading this number as 62.346. This is the wrong way of reading the number. So if I want to read this number, I can read as 62.346. Don't read 346. After decimal, you have to read the number individually. को एक-एक करके read करना है. For example, if I write 132.143, so I have to read this number as 132.143, not 143. These mistakes most of the children makes. So take care how to read the decimal numbers. So here we are ending our video. Today we learn conversion of decimal into fraction and fraction into decimal. Hope you all understand this conversion. Thank you and have a nice day.